place was very different idea from what we live in. It was a different thing from what we used to live in. From Bangalore, it is very nature and eco-friendly, and the Burma Bridge was very scary for me, and the zipline was very cool.
It's a good place for a weekend or a long trip for a family, perfect family. You have a lot more adventures for the kids, even for us also. More than adventure, we have a good hospitality here, and the food is very good, authentic Kerala style. So that if anyone want to run away from the city pressure or from the corporate pressure, they can definitely come out of here. And good to know that we don't have a cell phone towers to have a corporate pressures and all your family tensions. You can be happier peacefully for a certain point of time.